YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to make some slow cooked chicken breast. And really what's really neat about this chicken breast, I make it for my meal prep for the week. This is about 5 to 6 pounds of chicken, and how I make it, it's very easy to make. I don't have to cook it over the stove. I don't have to slice it into medallions. It's very tender, it's very good, and the best thing is it actually tastes kind of like beef, like a beef brisket. And so what you're going to need is a chicken breast, about 5 to 6 pounds, and the most important ingredient is going to be this marinade, this barbecue brisket marinade. Other things I like to put on it: some black pepper, some sort of Cajun seasoning salt, doesn't have to be this pepper company, and this happens to be the dark and smoky flavor. So what you're going to do is just cut open your chicken. Have a layer, so come in real close. I want to wash my hands. Now it's time for some seasoning salt, like Tony Chachere's. Assortment of smoky peppers. And then what you're going to do is your next layer. Wash my hands one more time. Black pepper. Again, now it's time for the most important ingredient. So I've already shaken this up a little bit, but the settlement will kind of form on the bottom. And so what you want to do is just shake it up. Very strong. Just pour it on there, and it's okay if it kind of washes away some of the seasoning, because it's just going to sit in that liquid for 10 to 12 hours. And then what you can kind of do, shake it up just a little bit more, and you can hear the seasoning in there. Turn it on, and I'm going to turn it on for 10 hours, and I'm going to put it on low.
8 hours later.
All right, so now it's time to shred it up. So here's the chicken. So you're just going to get 2 forks and just start to pull it apart. So what you're going to do is just cover it back up and let it continue and warm at this point, and eventually all you got to do is unplug it, let it cool, and put it in the refrigerator. Thank you for watching.